Make a great choice today with the 2019 Camaro. Camaro was developed to be 21st century on every level. From its awe-inspiring design to its outstanding performance to its impressive efficiency. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, xenon headlights, stability control, remote power door locks, universal remote transmitter, heated steering wheel, heads-up display, cruise control, trip computer, power windows. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.